Hi there and welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to open a bank account online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to open an account with Discover Bank. So let's dive in. So in here, go ahead and head over into the online banking options. And from here, you'll be able to find this open an account button at the top right of your screen. So in here, you'll be able to find the selection of accounts that you can open on Discover Bank. For example, I want to open an online savings account. I'll just go ahead and select that. In this section, you need to answer this question if you're new to Discover Bank or if you're already a customer of Discover Bank. Since I am new to Discover Bank, I'll go ahead and hit on the continue button at the left side of my screen to continue on applying for a savings account. So in here, as you can see, the first thing that you'll need to enter would be your basic information or account information, such as your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, taxpayer ID or SSN, confirm your SSN or taxpayer ID, date of birth, and your mother's maiden name with last name. On the next step, you'll need to actually read the disclosures and agreement and agree to that before you can actually create an account or apply for an account on Discover Bank. After you agree to that disclosures, you'll need to set up your account on Discover Bank. So just create a username and a password for your account. Now that your account is open, download the Discover mobile app to manage your funds on the go. Set up alerts to track your balance and transactions. And that's it. Opening an account with Discover Bank is quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more how-to guides. See you in the next video.